A very good afternoon to you. Today we are going to look at equations of indices. Okay? We need to look at equations of indices. So we are going to look at types of equations whereby the bases are known, and we'll later look at whereby the powers are known. So I'll start with a scenario where the bases are known. You are given x to the power half is equal to 2. Okay? You are required to find x or to solve this equation. How do you go about it? We use this law x a b is equal to x to the a times b. Ndolo inoshanda apa. So you will your x to the power half is equals to 2. You bracket everything. You come up with a number your normal plan your pan up. Okay? Yeah. Number inofana utika multiply na half tinowana 1. So that x inosarere x to the power 1. X to the power 1 is equivalent to x. Saka number yoshandise ndinoshanda futi on the other side. What am I saying? I'm saying 1 over 2 kutasara 1 to multiply na 2 over 1. Ndokuti zvivarane vanhu vapangosara 1. So x to the half is equal to 2 to multiply na 2 up na 2. So in other words, unongo multiply na inverse a fraction yongo wakapiwa. So kana 1 over 2 no multiply na 2 over 1. Kana 1 over 3 na 3 over 1. Zvichingodaro. 3 over 1 no 3 zvakangofanana. Saka this becomes x to the 1 because tinenge tashandisa law yedu yekuti half times 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 ndi 4. Saka kunosara kuna x to the power 1 is equals to 4 because half times 2 ndi 1. Saka x to the power 1 is the same as x. Saka x is equal to 4. Okay? We move on to a next. Next thing x to the 1/3 is equal to 3. We do the same, but you are using 3 this time. So this becomes x. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Okay? We move on to another scenario. X to the 2 is equal to 4. We do the same. We bracket everything. So apa takumultiply na 1/3 manje because na 1/2 because mukati ndo mana 2. So for my equations zatoita ku left ndo zatoita ku right. So kana ukutoshandisa half, the other side we also use half as well. So this becomes x to the 1 is equal to 4 to the half. So x to the 1 is the same as x. 4 to the half takushandisa law iya yekuti tunesa root sign tuti 4 here to atati 2 here. So x will be equal to square root ya 4 and 2. So x will be equal to 2. You can be given something like 2x cubed is equal to 54 on the solve. Kana yakadai o unotanga wa divide masides ese ne coefficient ya unknown. Coefficient number kumashure kwa unknown. So like in this case the 2 ndo coefficient ya x cubed. So to divide it over tasarana x cubed is equal to 2 muna 54 anopinda ka 27. Kana yasvika apo tobva tachishandisa 1/3 ndokuti tisari na 1 kunoku, soka x to the power 1 anobva asara ari 27 to the power 1/3. Saka x nekuti x to the power 1 zvakafanana, tinobva taisa chiroot sign chedu 27 3 here. Saka x will be equal to cube root ya 27 is 3. 3 ndo number to multiply ka 3 to 127. Okay, let's say wakapiwayo x to the negative half is equal to 2. Unoshandisawo negative 2 panapa, apo washandisawo negative 2. Saka unongosara, because ma negative akamultiply tinoona positive, saka x to the power 1 inosara iri 2 to the negative 2. Saka x anobva asara ari 1 over 2 to the positive 2 according to law of indices here yatakaita in the last lecture. So x will be equal to 1 over 2 to the power 2, that's a 4. So x will get equal to 1/4. Okay, then we move on to so is taped this takwenda kune type yema ninge yakanzi yekuti unknown rinenge riri power kwanzi 2 to the power x is equals to 8. Kana yadaiwo manje, what you do is you express zviri ku left in terms of zviri ku right, kana zviri ku right in terms of zviri ku left. What am I saying? We are saying 2 to the power x, you need to express 8 in terms of 2. Saka in terms of 2, 8 and 2 to the power 3. So takuchiti since mabase edu afanana, we now equate my powers. Saka x will be equal to 3. This will be our final result. Okay, right. We move on. Wakapiwa 8 to the power x is equals to 16. Situation here a bit tricky because 16 cannot be expressed in terms of 8. Saka teta would express in terms of number yakafanana kuma sides kwese, like 2. We can express 8 in terms of 2. Then we can express 16 in terms of 2. Because the idea here is tukuda kufananidza mabase. Okay? So this becomes 2 to the power 3 x, post na x up, is equals to 2 to the power 4. 16 is equivalent to 2 to the power 4. Saka mabases edu afanana esa 2 2. Saka zviro zvinoreva ndezvo mapowers edu ezvo anenge akafanana. Saka 3x will be equal to 4. We now divide both sides by 3. So our x will be equal to 4 over 3 into 1 and 1/3. So 1 and 1/3 and then get answer. Alright. Pane pamwe pekuti unenge wakanzi 4 to the c minus 1 is equal to 64. For example, like in this case, we can express 64 in terms of 4. So 4 to the c minus 1 will be equal to 4 to the 3. Since my base afanana, we can now equate my power z. So c minus 1 will be equal to 3. So, can I equation yadai, we can now say c is equal to 3 plus 1. Remember negative 1 akajamba equal sign anoneta plus. So c will be equal to 3 plus 1 to 4. So this will be our answer. So this is it about the equations of indices. I'm sure you've understood everything. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me on 0784 002 002. My name is Takudzuka Kuhuni, so you can contact me at this number. Thank you very much for watching. I hope and trust that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Goodbye.